Hello and welcome to Ageless Living for Women. My name is Giselle Turi, and today I would like to talk about how to get quality sleep, restful sleep. Yes, ideally 7 to 9 hours of sleep is going to help to rebuild, reboot, and rejuvenate your system as you're sleeping. But what makes that quality restful sleep? A couple of things I can share with you today is, for one, I mentioned in a previous video about being asleep by 10 o'clock because the hours from 10 to 2 are when your hormones do the most balance and when your body has the chance to do most of its repair work. Now, the way to get to that quality sleep, though, is by, one, not eating past 6 o'clock. Why? So that your body is finished digesting its food. So by the time you get to sleep, your body's using energy in the repair and in the rebalancing work. And instead of using energy to digest your food, it takes a lot of energy to digest food. And if you want to have restful sleep, you want to be able to sleep deeply so that you can do the healing work that's required and the rebalancing work. So not eating past 6 o'clock or like 3 to 4 hours prior to the time you go to sleep is ideal. Also, you want to look at the environment in your room. Do you have television in there? Do you have a lot of electronics? You want to be aware of that. I personally do not own my own TV for many reasons. And I especially don't see a bedroom, a place where going to sleep and get quality rest, is not the proper place for a television. Okay, because electromagnetic radiation that it emits, same goes for cell phones and other electrical devices, can throw off your natural, your rhythms, and so that can interfere with your sleep patterns. Also, a lot of electronics have different lights on them. Ideally, you want your bedroom to be as dark as possible. Now, if this is a problem and there are a lot of lights in your bedroom, then I highly recommend a facial mask. That's what I use because where I sleep at, there are lights that cannot be avoided. Preferably you want it as dark as possible, but if not, face masks are amazing and they help me to sleep really deep. So stop eating like 3 to 4 hours before you go to sleep so they can get restful sleep. Your body's done digesting its food, and then the energy can go to repair, reboot, so you wake up more refreshed in the morning. Make your room as dark as possible. And the third thing I want to add to that is not watching like news or things that are overexciting or things that can be, disturbing. The news is a big one. But basically, you might want to just stop doing anything media-wise like 2 hours prior to the time you go to sleep so you can relax. Read a book, drink a cup of hot tea, or take a nice hot soak. Things that you know are relaxing for you. So until next time, Ultreya, move forward with courage and in love. And please share this video. Like it, share it. I have a wealth of information that I'll be sharing, and please pass it on. People need to know this. This is about healing, and this is about living a better quality life. All right, bye-bye. Mwah.